Right, quick cylinder change. Whoa, who would have thought? Wood screw. Some people. Right, let's go and get cylinder out of the van. Right, which cylinder is it? In case you're wondering, this case is from JMA. It's a very handy case, gives all the sizes of what you want. And you can put your cylinder up there and have a look. 45. I'm not sure this bag has 45s, but I might put them in as spares. $45.55. I might not be in there. That's a short one. Right. I have a box full in there. I have a drawer full of them here. So. $45.30. $45.50. $45.45. Bingo. Okay. Got a cylinder, let's go back and fit it, but we need a screw. Look at that. Yeah, got one. Right, let's go back. Right, back at the door. Nice little British standard. Orchard. Perfect fit, absolutely perfect. What more could you want? Give it a try. That's it. Job done. Beautiful.